Hello there. Want to earn money from your phone or laptop? Today I'll share you different proven ways to make money online, including the one that can start paying you in less than a month. And the best part, I'll be diving deep into each method in future videos to show you exactly how to succeed. So, like this video and subscribe now, and because missing these tips could cost you. Number 1, content creation. This is where you turn your passion into profit. Whether it's cooking, travel, gaming, or even reviewing gadgets, you can earn from ads, brand deals, and even selling your own products. Imagine posting a short TikTok every day and in a few months, brands start paying you hundreds to feature their products. In future videos, I'll show you how to choose a niche that pays, grow fast, and get those first sponsorships. Number 2, freelancing. This is perfect if you have a skill like writing, graphic design, coding, or video editing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients worldwide, and you can set your own rates. The beauty, you get paid for what you know, not where you live. In an upcoming video, I'll teach you how to stand out from thousands of freelancers and turn one-time clients into long-term income. Third, trading. You can trade Forex, stocks, or cryptocurrency on Binance or MetaTrader. Start small, learn strategies, and always manage risk. I'll be making a future video breaking down beginner trading tips and the safest ways to start. Number 4, gaming. Yes, you can actually get paid to play. Stream on Twitch or YouTube gaming and earn from ads, donations, and sponsorships. Or dive into play-to-earn games where your in-game assets can be sold for real money. Soon, I'll release a full step-by-step on how to grow as a gaming creator, build a loyal audience, and find paying opportunities. Finally, online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay for your opinions. It won't make you rich, but it can cover small bills. In a future video, I'll share the best paying survey sites and how to maximize earnings. So there you have it. 5 powerful ways to start making money online. Content creation, freelancing, trading, gaming, and surveys. In the next videos, I'll break down each method step by step so you can start earning faster.